are gonna play something. Hi everyone. अभी शाम के 6:30 बजे हुए हैं. I just showered. My hair is not hairing, so I'll just comb it now. I feel like listening to some really like Bollywood slutty songs, which are like really popular on Instagram these days. Like Shilpa sa figure be bosi ada. We got a oil our hair. Not comfortable in this. I think I'm gonna change. Is this oil? It's chocolate. Like I melted dark chocolate and then I put blueberries and then I put the chocolate again and then I put it in the freezer. How nice! That's how my Saturday night came.
Nothing in the thing. So Rachel and I broke up. Started when Rachel got this new job.
मेरा फोन
बज गया.
वीडियो रिकॉर्ड.
रिकॉर्डिंग करके काम कर रहे हो.
हाँ, ये तो आपको कह रही थी कर लो.
난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 진짜가 아니야. 나 자신이 미워서 한참을 울었어. 그래야 기분이 나아질 것 같아.
This is not matcha. It's amla and all the green veggies ka juice.
बेसिकली इसे कहते हैं शिव कमल या वैसे ऐसे कुछ नाम है. ब्रह्म कमल तो नहीं बोलते बट
मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे टिप्स तो देते रहते हैं ब्लॉगिंग के. ओह नो, इट्स रेनिंग. The sun's out and it's raining.
Sun is not out yet.
Raining heavily. So much fun. हो गया.
ये चीज बेसिकली काम आती है एज अ बायोफ्यूल.
अच्छा.
अभी
गोबर है ना?
हाँ, जब तक मैंने सुना है इससे क्या होता है कि जब गोबर है जब जलाएंगे ना ये ऑक्सीजन भी प्रोड्यूस करता है.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Are you on?
चढ़ जाओ.
पाव भाजी ले सकते हैं.
कोई मिसल पाव खाया आपने?
My God.
सबसे ये सबसे मीठी है.
It was so beautiful outside. Everything was just perfect. It's raining, it's thundering, and we had buffet and we are pretty full right now. What else? I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna go home and sleep. It's Sunday morning. I'm up since you can see. I'm up since 7 o'clock in the morning. Since then I was just in bed.
Despacito este bardo es mucho mejor, es mucho mejor, es mucho mejor.
Cozy in this cozy.
That's unfair. You know I'm gonna bang more on.
Hey, what the hell? Not married. Jordan. Do you think it's gonna be mostly freshmen? Yes. Okay, Silver just texted me. She's already there. She says it's getting good.
Do you guys ever think about how much you think about what other people think about you, but then they're probably only thinking about what you're thinking about them, but you're not, and then it's just like a cycle?
Weirdly? Yes.
Okay.
No. I'm just gonna call it wrong vibe. Wrong vibe.
I don't want to admit this.
ये हटा दे, इसकी जगह दूसरा लगा. अब स्वामी बोलेगा ना. सारी बता देता है. इधर लगाएगी कैप को.
Oh wow! A stopover. I love this. चाहिए? रुक जाओ, मैं ट्राइपॉड भूल गई अपना बाहर. रुक जाओ. I forgot my tripod outside. What do you want, Baba? Huh? I don't have any food. Sorry.